Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's learn how to do some drag marble technique on your nails. So the first step is to prepare your base color. As you can see, I have already prepared it and I have used some grey and black. These are the same colors that I am going to use for the drag marble today. It is necessary for you to use the same colors as your drag marble, as in case there are any gaps between your drag marble decals, these base colors will cover it. Once your base is dry, you can move on ahead with your next step. Take a surface off of which you can peel the nail polish. I am going to use a bottle right here, and the nail polish will peel right off of this surface. And that is it. Your nail decal right here is ready, but make sure to give it time to dry. Do not try to peel it off before it dries or else it will not work. So I'm going to let mine sit for at least a day. So now that the decal had some time to dry, you can go ahead and try to peel it off of the surface. Now that it is off, we have the decal right here and we are ready to put it on my nail. Now go ahead and add another layer of polish so the nail decal has something to stick onto. Once you have roughly cut out the excess, it should look something like this. Now you can go ahead and take a small brush and dip it in some acetone. This is so that we can clean up the sides and seal up the design onto our nail. This is what your nail will look after the cleanup and after you seal in the design. So now you can go ahead and add on a top coat. I am going to use a gel top coat for today, and because it is gel I have to cure it. If you are using a normal top coat, you do not have to cure it. The top coat has been added and all I have to do is cure it now. Let me do that and I'll be back. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share and please do subscribe. Bye bye.